Burns.
The meat is off center.
What are you doing with such thick feet?
No worries, I just kick around in the neighborhood. No need to pay for damages, heh.
This part is really thick.
The front limbs work well.
It's very thick. There's no strength in the forelimb.
Oh, this is the most fun. Oh, how thick is this?
Your nails are just flaps.
Yeah, it's just playful. It's often like this. Do you know what happened to your brother's little toe? He was running and playing, and his little toe got hurt.
Start run. No, this person really can't walk anymore.
Considering your age, around 16, do you think you can walk on the ground?
I don't know. He should be fine. One day. Yeah, one day should be enough for this.
Can he go too? Oh, this nail is really thick. The holiday is over. Why come here for a few days of rest?
The child is staying here.
The holiday is over. Stay here for 2 days, then go home and later take care of the eggs.
Ah, your son comes here after school? These fingers are so oily they leave a mark.
Your toe hurts too, bro.
No, it didn't hurt. It hurt, but felt uncomfortable to touch.
You have to press down on this nail.
Right. Just on the side of your foot. I'll trim your nails.
Yeah, inside my tooth. This. At the front, I'm good at the front.
It's too thick, the knife can't cut through.
Playing with vertical stripes tattooed.
I don't know the strength when it gets dirty.
Don't know that strength. When it gets dirty, don't know the strength at this point. Don't know that strength.
Back are nice. Watch him sleep for a while.
Month.
He's been sleeping for a month.
I came back from surfing the internet. I came back, I work here, came back to eat here. I want myself, really feel the night is oppressive. Outside, everyone wants to fight. At home, I'm all alone.
He is quite obedient.
Quite obedient.
He will listen. Everyone went there to work.
Open.
Is the air conditioning on? The air conditioning's used up. But overall, it's okay.
Actually, there's nothing much. It's still quite good. Speaking of phones, school, it's like, what is it? Just by oneself. Always by oneself. There's a holiday to go to school, and it's 7 yuan a day, then go home to study.
After coming home, it's 9:40. Then you continue studying. Sometimes you come back at 10:40 or 11. After you come back, you can't just go to sleep. You see, I don't even know if the phone has been washed or if I've slept. When mom calls, you just call her, ha ha ha.
Now, when you call your mom on video, she doesn't even answer. Talk to the older generation about yourself, you know?
Hey, how can it be okay not to study?
The video call is not answered. Why wait for you, right?
Is it calling the granddaughter?
Call the granddaughter. If no one answers, call her mother's heart. Without me, I can't make the call. I said this. Answer the phone.
My mom still hits me.
What else? No, not answering either. Didn't hear it, right?
Listening. This is 3 mouths.